Hello people, welcome to my screen. Right in front of me, I have the Euro USD on the daily time frame. So let's analyze Euro USD. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash that subscribe button right there. So let's continue with the chart on Euro USD. Right. So now on Euro USD, I have we can see a rising wedge that has formed on the daily time frame on Euro USD, and we expect price to what to elevate to the downside, at least come right here. This is a support level right here. When this level is taken out, Euro USD the what we sell back down again, and Euro USD is just like it does not know what it wants to do. At one point it's pointing to the upside, at the other side is pointing to the downside. So let's go back to the higher time frame. Let's go back to the monthly time frame to analyze this market again. Now right here on the weekly time frame right here, we can see how the weekly candle close. The weekly candle closed with a bearish engulfing candle. So now and it closed with a bearish engulfing candle on a support level. This was acting as a resistance level in the past before price was able to break and close above it. Does it mean that Euro USD wants to push to the upside, or Euro USD will push back down right here and start to sell down to this previous level of support? Now, if you look at this level right here, at this place, we can see that in the past, Euro USD was moving in a nasty range for the past 2 years, and eventually Euro USD price was able to break and close below this level. Every trader thought that since Euro USD has break out of this place, has break out of this long time range, at least it has given us a clear direction that we should continue selling to this level of support right here. And Euro USD disappointed and pushed back in again. It formed a trend reversal right here and pushed back in again. And it's looking like Euro USD might likely come back inside this range again. Yes. What happens here can still happen right here again, because as you can see right here, I have a bearish. I have a bearish engulfing candle, and it's looking like an evening star right here on this level right here on the weekly time frame. So we might see Euro USD selling back in again. So we might see Euro USD selling back in again to this level right here, just like it happens here. It formed a trend reversal right here when everyone was thinking that Euro USD has finally break out of the long time range, and Euro USD went push back inside this range again. Now price push back inside this range again. It break out of this level, and we expect Euro USD at least to continue going to the upside, but Euro USD close with what? With an evening star right here. These three candles make it an evening star, and Euro USD is pointing that it wants to sell again. So now let's go to the daily time frame. Now right here on the daily time frame right here, Euro USD has formed a trend reversal on the daily time frame. We have a left shoulder right here, we have a head, and we have a right shoulder right here. This tells us that what Euro USD might likely push back in again and start selling back down again, just like it formed a trend reversal right here, that push this price in again. Now it still form a trend reversal again, head and shoulder chart pattern that will still what drop this price back inside this range again. Euro USD just does not just know what it wants to do. At one point it's acting like it wants to sell, and the other side is acting like it wants to buy. So now on the daily time frame right here, we have Euro USD form a rising wedge. So now price it form a rising wedge and also form a trend reversal. It form a rising wedge and also form a trend reversal. So this is the left shoulder right here, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder right here. And also, as you can see, Euro USD form a what? A rising wedge right here. This tells us that what we should see more push on Euro USD back inside this range again. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see more details. Now right here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly a rising wedge on the 4-hour time frame. We have and also we have a left shoulder right here. This is the head and this is the right shoulder. I repeat, we have a left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder. So we have a left shoulder, we have the right, and we have the left shoulder right here. We have the left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder right here. So we should see more push on Euro USD. Euro USD should drop to this downside right here. Now as it is now, what is holding Euro USD from selling to the downside is this major level of support. If this major level of support is cleared, Euro USD will be free to start selling to the downside. And the next level target on Euro USD will be this level right here. This is the level of support. Like I've said earlier, when Euro USD starts selling, if it's able to break below this level, Euro USD will sell down right here. When this level is taken out, if this level is taken out, the next level target on Euro USD will be this level right here. The next level target on Euro USD, just look at the left hand side. Then the next level target on Euro USD will also be this level right here. So that is how Euro USD will keep dropping from one level to another level until it gets back in right here again. So now what we should be expecting on Euro USD for the coming week is what we should see more of sell opportunity, because this is a rising wedge and also a trend reversal has formed. So we want to see more of sell opportunity for this week for this coming week. So that is that on Euro USD. Please, if you watch this video to this very end, please smash the subscribe button right there. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.